Miriam notices that the graphs of the functions in problem 7 and 8 have the same vertex point. Now let's take a look at the graphs from 7 and 8. So yeah, they have the same vertex point right there at negative 2, 2. Israel notices that the graphs of the functions in problems 2 and 7 are mirror images across the x-axis. Well, here's this one and this one. So those are reflections across the x-axis. What do you notice about the roots of the functions in problems 7, 8, and 2? Okay, well, if we look at the roots for problem 7, 8, and 2, in problem 7, our roots were negative 2 plus or minus square root 2. So if I do it like this, negative 2 plus square root 2, negative 2 minus square root 2. For question 8, it was negative 2 plus or minus square root of 2, negative 2. And for question 2, if we go back to the very beginning up here, it was negative 2 plus or minus square root 2. Negative 2 plus or minus square root 2. And it makes sense that questions 2 and 7 would have the same roots, because here's the two roots right there. Negative 2 plus square root 2, negative 2 minus square root 2. This one, though, this one up here, it's just a reflection, but instead of reflecting across the x-axis, now we're just reflecting across the line y equals 2. So what I noticed was all of these had a negative 2 as the first number, and then they all had a square root 2 or a square root negative 2 as the second number. So that all of them had roots of negative 2 plus or minus something, and it was either a plus 2 or a minus 2 in the inside of the radicand.